हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के वीडियो में हम वेक्टर के डॉट प्रोडक्ट के क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 से आगे करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, here three vectors a, b and c are given. Vector a is 2i plus 2j plus 3k. Vector b is minus i plus 2j plus k and vector c is 3i plus j. And what is given? A is plus lambda b is a vector perpendicular to vector c. Then find the value of lambda. Now if a plus lambda is perpendicular to c, then we have to find the value of lambda. For that, firstly we have to find the value of a plus lambda b. Now what is given? Three vectors are given and it is given that a plus lambda b is perpendicular to c. Now because we have already studied, if two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product will be 0. So first, what is the value of a plus lambda b? Multiply b by lambda, we get minus lambda I plus 2 lambda j plus lambda k. Add in a, we get 2 minus lambda I plus 2 plus 2 lambda j plus 3k plus 3 plus lambda k means 3 plus lambda k, and dot with vector c, that is 3i plus j, and its dot product is 0. And to find the dot product, dot product is a1 a2. It means we have to multiply the coefficient of I with coefficient of I. So it is 2 minus lambda into 3 plus coefficient of j will be multiplied by coefficient of j. So 2 plus 2 lambda multiply by 1 plus 3 plus lambda into, here coefficient of k is 0. So 3 plus lambda into 0 is 0. It means now we get and it is equal to 0. Therefore we get 6 minus 3 lambda plus 2 plus 2 lambda is equal to 0. It means 8 minus lambda 0 and lambda is equal to 8. Okay. Now our question number 11, and question number 11, what is given? That two vectors are given. Vector and we have to show magnitude of vector a into vector b plus mod of vector b into vector a is perpendicular to vector a, mod of a into b vector minus mod of b vector into a vector, and for any two non-zero vectors a and b. Okay, first of all, assume these two vectors, hold this vector as vector a and second vector as vector b. Now I have assumed that first vector as vector a and second as vector b. Now if we have to show that these are perpendicular vectors, then we have to prove that their dot product will be 0. So what is the dot product of x dot y? Value of x is this one and value of y is here. अब हमें जब इसका डॉट प्रोडक्ट करना है, what will we do? We have to use the distributive property. तो a mod of a into b dot mod of a into b, scalar quantities will be multiplied and dot product will be between two vectors. So mod of a into mod of a becomes mod of a square into b dot b. Similarly, when we do the dot product of this one with the minus b dot a, it is minus mod of a into mod of b into b dot a. फिर plus b mod of b into mod of a is a dot mod of a b into a dot b. Last term is plus minus minus mod of b into mod of b becomes mod of b square into a dot a. Now because we have already studied the property that a dot b is equal to b dot a, it means these two terms, look here, mod of a mod of a mod of b mod of b and b dot a and a dot b, but a dot b is equal to b dot a, it means these two terms are equal and plus minus are cancel. It means it is mod of a square into mod of b square minus mod of b square into mod of a square. Why it is mod of a square and b square? Because a dot a, again we have already studied that a dot a is equal to mod of a square. तो b dot b को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? mod of b square. Similarly a dot a can be written as mod of a square. These terms again plus minus are cancelled and their dot product is 0. It means x is perpendicular to y. Okay, now what is our question number 12? It is, if a dot a is 0, a dot b is also 0, that what can we conclude about vector b? Okay, now first thing is given that a dot a 0. Now if a dot a is equal to, it means अभी हमने पिछले क्वेश्चन में भी किया था, व्हाट इज ए डॉट ए, इट इज इक्वल टू मॉडुलस ऑफ ए स्क्वेयर. इट मीन्स मॉडुलस ऑफ ए स्क्वेयर इज 0 and mod of a is also 0. Now if a dot be 0, it means maybe these are perpendicular vectors, and but because may not be, because mod of a is also 0, already 0. तो it is mod of a into mod of b into cos theta. mod a 0 होने से इसकी वैल्यू 0 ही होगी. तो इसका मतलब b हमारा यहाँ पर मे बी 0, मे बी नॉन जीरो, मे बी परपेंडिकुलर, कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो हम उसको पर्टिकुलर नहीं बता सकते हैं, तो इसमें यही आंसर लिखना पड़ेगा. वी कैन नॉट कंक्लूड अबाउट वेक्टर बी है. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. इट इज़ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर द CBSE एग्जाम्स. If A, B, C are unit vector, first thing what is given, vector A, B and C are unit vector such that modular vector A plus vector B plus vector C, तीनों का एडिशन किसके इक्वल है, 0 वेक्टर. Then find the value of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. Okay, now first thing is given, all of them are unit vectors and their sum is 0. So now if these are unit vectors, then magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B is equal to magnitude of C, that is equal to 1, and their sum is 0 vector. And if their sum is 0 vector, it means their magnitude is equal to 0, and if their magnitude is 0, then its square is also 0. So in next step we will write magnitude of A plus B plus C whole square is equal to 0, and because magnitude of A square किसके इक्वल होता है, A dot A, therefore we can write this term as A plus B plus C dot A plus B plus C, and that is equal to 0. Now we have to done the dot product between these two vectors, then it will be A dot A plus A dot B plus A dot C plus B dot A plus B dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A plus C dot B and plus C dot C. Now what is A dot A? A dot A is again equal to A square, and A dot B is equal to B dot A. So if A dot B and B dot A are equal, we can write it as 2A dot B. These two terms combined, A dot B and B dot A becomes 2A dot B. Similarly, A dot C and C dot A both will be equal, so it will become 2C dot A, and B dot C and C dot B becomes 2B dot C. And next thing, A dot A, what is the value of A dot A? It is modulus of A square. B dot B becomes modulus of B square, and C dot C is modulus of C square. तो ये टर्म्स हमारे पास बचेंगी, और इसकी वैल्यू किसके इक्वल है, 0. Now because A, B, C are unit vector, therefore their magnitude are 1. It means modulus of A is 1, 1 square is 1. It is again 1 square and 1 square plus 2 A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to 0. It means 2A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to -3. And from here we get A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to -3/2. Okay. Now question number 14. What is given in question number 14? If vector A is 0 or B is 0, then A dot B is 0. Ultimately, because if A is 0, B is 0, A dot B will be 0. But it converts not be true. Justify your answer with an example. It is given. देखो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ए और बी जीरो है, ए बी जीरो है तो ए डॉट बी तो जीरो होगा, लेकिन ए डॉट बी जीरो होगा देन मे बी दे आर परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर्स. परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर्स का भी तो डॉट प्रोडक्ट जीरो होता है. तो हमें इसको एग्जांपल से शो करना है. उसके लिए दो वेक्टर्स एज्यूम करने हैं. आई हैव टेकन 2 एग्जांपल्स. वेक्टर ए इज़ आई प्लस जे, वेक्टर बी इज़ आई माइनस जे. तो ए डॉट बी इज इक्वल टू 1 - 1, डेट इज़ 0. तो मॉडुलस ऑफ ए हो जाएगा √2, मॉडुलस ऑफ बी √2. बोथ आर नॉट इक्वल टू 0, बट देयर डॉट प्रोडक्ट इज 0. आज आप इतने ही क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. ओके, बाय.